Good morning, this is Miss Henson. I'm going to try to show you how I created a ringtone on GarageBand. I went to GarageBand, I found this screen, and I started seeing what I could be doing here. I went and did a little research. I like acoustic guitar, so I brought an acoustic guitar over. And then I wanted it to take up my entire 20 seconds, so I'm going to pull it on over here. And it sounds something like this. And it's kind of moody, pensive, so I decided I would try to find something to go with it. I couldn't find anything, so I decided to do my own backdrop, so here we go. Alright, let's see how that sounds together. Here we go. Just see what it sounds like really quickly. Alright, that'll work. Now I want to put a little bit of a beat to it, and it's a soft sound, so I'm going to go with a soft sounding beat. I do want it to be a little bit longer than that. I want it to come in right here where the whistle starts. I want it to go on for a while. Maybe here. All right, here we go. Let's see what this sounds like. Let's skip all that. Here we go. Yep, that'll work. And then I'm only going to do 4, so I'm going to end it up with some piano, like piano. Okay. It's not quite in time. Hang on. It's not what I want. I want you to be a little, there we go. Move you over just a little. All right, let's try that again. That's it. All right, so I'm going to loop the whole thing around, and I think I got this. Let's play it all together. All right, I think I have it. I'll save that, call it a wrap, and hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you a little bit later. I think that should do it.